Hello everyone, welcome back to Console Lanso. By the way, welcome, namaste, good day, and today onwards will we start with a new series for you guys because we got lots of requests like you need to know about some job opportunities to move to your careers. So Console Answer always take care about you guys. So we started a new series for you जहां हम आपको ये बताएंगे कि हाउ you need to go ahead with some of the MNCs to apply it and how you need to go ahead. So without doing delay, let's start. So first thing, looking for a job? Yes, I hope so still now because as pandemic started, so many people lost their job. इसके कारण बहुत जन हम लोग बेरोजगारी से जी रहे हैं और हमें पता नहीं चल रहा है कैसे हम जॉब हंट करें. बहुत सारे साइट्स है जॉब हंट्स के लिए बट स्टिल वी आर कंफ्यूजिंग. सो if you are confusing with the same way which side you need to go ahead and which things you are going with that, see, jobs are like Tom and Jerry. We don't know where should go and which one is good and which is not good, how to find out. If you got it at last, it is like restaurant. जब भी हम सोचते हैं कि हम बस पहुंचने वाले हैं बट फिर से हमें वो नहीं मिलता है. क्या होता है जब भी टॉम सोचता है कि मैं आज जेरी को पकड़ लूँगा, आज तो पक्का पकड़ लूँगा, फिर जेरी हाथ से निकल जाता है. वही होता है हमारे साथ जॉब केस में भी. हम सोचते हैं विल रीच दैट, राइट, विल टच इट, विल जस्ट गेट द जॉब, बट सडनली समथिंग हैपन एंड वी वोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट हैपन एंड द जॉब वाज वी जस्ट लॉस्ट इट. एंड दिस कम्स टू अस लाइक सो मेनी टाइम इट्स हैपन. But don't worry about that. Today's video will be talking about the first company in this series, that is Infosys. We are talking about how you need to apply it in Infosys, how you need to grab it. See, there is a application, so many applications are there to need to apply Infosys. Applying is easy, but how to crack it, that is a one question always keeps to our mind. But don't worry, Console Answer is there for that reason. There is a lots of official sites in Infosys and I'll tell you how to do it, and if you just follow the steps, and I'm just 200% sure you can crack the Infosys and in like 1 second. So just you need to follow the step. What should you need to do? So first thing, you know that what Infosys, and just think about how to apply it. So the first important to applying, right? Apply, what you have to do, go ahead with the Infosys site, just apply it. I'll show you that exactly how you need to apply as well, like how you need to go with that and how you need to apply it. Once you apply as a developer, as a Java developer, as a Python developer, there's a variety of things out there you can apply for your perspective, which you feel like that, which is your good area and which is your core area, you can apply for that. That's not a restriction for you. That's you go ahead. And the next step after that, from where you can get the things, right? See, whenever Infosys give you so many opportunities like system engineer, Java developer, big data developer, you can go ahead with the LinkedIn and Glassdoor as well. This is the two things which I always recommend to my friends. Go ahead and check out this for the Infosys, because the recent things, when Infosys want to vacancies are there in Infosys, when they want to announce something, the LinkedIn and Glassdoor both gives you the recent updates. So that is the first step for applying step. So this is the two things you need to do it first when you started to hunting a job. First, create an account in LinkedIn, go ahead and update it properly, everything, and just search with the Infosys. Today's topic was Infosys, so go ahead with the Infosys thing and just go ahead to keep updating like how you need to apply it and when the vacancies are there. That is the first step, you're applying it. Now the next step is you need to learn the things, because you need to go with the test. So that is the main thing. Let's move to Google and understand it from where you can take the test and how you need to enhance your knowledge to make ready yourself. खुद को ready करने के लिए क्या चाहिए तुम्हें Infosys crack करने के लिए. So let's go with that step. So जब भी तुम्हें कोई भी इन्फोसिस एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए रेडी होना है, वो कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए करो. अभी इन्फोसिस क्या कर रहा है कि दे विल गिव यू द 2 प्लेटफॉर्म. एज अ डेवलपर, द फर्स्ट one which is package was 5 lakh, and another the power programmer, that is 8 lakh package. This year they introduce and they give the 8 lakh packages also, and vacancies are lots. Now still it's going on. If you feel to apply it, you can apply it now as well, because still vacancies are there. So first thing I need to show you how to apply it. For applying the normal thing, just go with the Infosys official site, right? Infosys. So if you go with the Infosys official site, you can apply it. Just a simple step. For applying, I won't feel any issues, because directly you can go with the Infosys site. From here you can apply directly. You can apply it from in this particular area. This is the area you can log in and you can apply the jobs. Just search it from which particular area you need to apply, like programmer, like power programmer, or the simple one. बिकॉज अगर आप पावर प्रोग्राम पर के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो कोडिंग्स ज़्यादा रहेंगे, बिकॉज एज अ पावर प्रोग्रामर दे आर गिविंग यू 8 lakh, सो दे expect something more from you. Need to be a fully expert in a coding, but in a normal programmer the medium questions will be there. Now we should know about that, which types of questions should be there. That is the main thing, because applying and all we can do it by yourself, but how need to grab it, how need to crack it. So मैं आप आज को 2 साइट बताऊंगी जो इन्फोसिस क्रैक करने के लिए बेस्ट साइट है. फर्स्ट हैकररैंक, सेकेंड इज इन्फीटीक्यू. नाउ सी, इन्फीटीक्यू एक ऐसा साइट है, इन्फीटीक्यू ऐसा पोर्टल है लाइक जहाँ से आप पढ़ सकते हो, आराम से खुद से लर्न कर सकते हो, एंड देन आप एग्जाम्स दे सकते हो, प्रैक्टिस कोड्स दे सकते हो. आफ्टर दैट कंसोल आंसर इज देयर, राइट? इन अ later videos I will upload some coding challenges also, solving challenges for Infosys, so it will help you to learn that the coding. So let's start with the InfyTQ first. That is InfyTQ, and that is a official site, so don't worry about that ki if you go at this site it will be what will happen. So official site है ये, just आपको log in करना है. It's just for a free cost, so don't worry about that. And this is the site they grab the questions also, most of them. So you need to register or sign in, that's depend upon you what you know. So suppose I need to register it, so मैं just normally register, मैं Google से register कर रही हूँ. You can register from anything, like that's depend upon you. So finally I registered it here, so it comes to the registration everything. Now once you go about this next one, like which one you need to grab it. See, means concentrate, keep that from the first one, okay? The first thing you need to choose, you need to go with a which language. They will give you any language, like you can write a code in C, C++, Java and Python. So अगर आपको Java में जाना है, search accordingly in Java. अगर Python पे जाना है, search accordingly Python. So first thing you need to search is, I just go with the programming fundamental. You have lots of courses here, you can choose any courses. Now inside that, programming fundamental using Python, go start. When you start it, you will get this type of things there. Here you can learn it, as well as together you need to solve the question. That is the main part where you need to solve the questions. I just go with one exercise. So when you go with the exercise, see, this is the one exercise. So they will ask this type of questions, so you need to fill all the questions, okay? You need to solve all the questions. अगर आपने ये पूरा InfyTQ पोर्टल को फुल्ली सॉल्व कर लिया, लाइक क्या क्या इसमें 6 पार्ट्स में वो डिवाइड किया हुआ है इसको. लाइक फर्स्ट इसने डिवाइड किया प्रोग्रामिंग फंडामेंटल, देन ऊप्स कॉन्सेप्ट है, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर है, डेवलपमेंट. अगर आपने ये चारों को अच्छे से सॉल्व कर लिया, आई एम जस्ट गिव यू द गारंटी 200% you easy to crack the coding now. See, basically that is one round we feel lots of like fear to cross it, so easily you can crack it, as well as the quizzes are there, so your quizzes round will be also cracked, because Infosys give you 4 rounds. The first round will be your 0th round, that will be your MCQ. So you have a quizzes here, you can solve it, you can see that quizzes are there, you can solve the quizzes, the first 0 round. Then you have a first round, that will be your the first round should be your normal coding challenges. You need to crack the normal coding challenges. Then you have the next round will be your face-to-face interview, then HR interview. So you need to go with step by step. For that you need to follow. So this is the first one I need to show you. One more, that is your HackerRank. This is also a one good site for the Infosys to crack it, that is HackerRank. HackerRank. You can go with the HackerRank. You just log in here also, the simple way you need to log in. And here what happened, whenever you need to sign up with the things, by default it will be giving you so many things. So you just go with a get free trial and you can start the things, like you need to go give your things, and you will get the same type of questions here as well. So you can solve those questions. I'll show you some of the questions, like which is you feel like the scenario based, because most of the time they will ask you the scenario based question in your, when you go with your things at them. See, this is latest they started HTML file, data processing, data reductions. Then you have the algorithms, programming. Suppose I'm going with a object oriented programming in Python, so you can go with any and start, just move with the problem. This is the, they explain it, the everything. See, this is one of the problem statement. This is type of scenario based they mostly provide you. List of items, then list of count each of item, item purchased, they give the description what you need to write, and this is the area they give you where you need to write a code and you need to execute. So they give their platform to do it, so that will be different. Like they can give you the sum of the slots to give you write the codes. इसीलिए try to practice more of scenario based, because they will ask scenario based rather to ask direct questions. So that is one tips. If you practice scenario based, you can crack easily. So this is how you can just crack the things. So for today's video, this still much. I hope you understood like कैसे आपको इन्फोसिस में अप्लाई करना है और कैसे आपको इन्फोसिस क्रैक करने के लिए किस किस पार्ट में जाना है. The third part is like solve it and then you need to approach it. Don't worry, in a further video I'll upload it some of the scenario based question which help you to understand how to solve it. If you go with 1-2 question, that is also enough for you to crack the Infosys. So I hope you get some of the knowledge from the Infosys to crack it. And अगर आपको knowledge मिला, अगर आप enjoy की, please don't forget to like Console Answer and don't forget to comment in a Console Answer. If you have any questions, you can comment down in the comments below. So thank you guys. Good day. Take care. See you on the next video. And sorry, don't forget to share this video, because if you won't share it, how you get to know us and how people will take this opportunity as well. So thank you guys. Good day. Bye. Take care.